Hi everyone, my name is Zoe and I work at the Solar Centre, and today I'm going to show you how to set up these advanced smart USB Festoon lights. These are my favourite lights, and it is because they are so easily compatible with my phone. They connect to my music. There's 50 bulbs over 15 meters of cable, so there's just a ridiculous amount of them. There's two power settings, so you can keep it on low power for the winter and high power for the summer. I just can't go on enough about them. So let's get going. What you will need to set up these lights are a smartphone and anywhere to hang the lights. It's that easy. So we start by opening the box and taking out the instructions. On the instructions, you're going to find a QR code. This is where the smartphone comes in. All you've got to do is make sure that you are scanning the QR code. It's going to ask you to download the app, which you should do if you want your lights to work. While the app's downloading, I'll hang a few of the lights up just to give you an idea of what they look like. Just so you can see, these are the lights. There's a pretty nifty little clip on the side if you wanted to clip it to anything in your garden. Nice hard winterproof plastic shell, and this is what the inside will look like. Next up, the solar panel. Now the smart advanced Festoon lights carry a pretty hefty solar panel, and understandably so. There's 50 bulbs and they hang off of about 15 meters of cable, so it requires a lot of solar power. That being said, there is a USB plug-in should you need it. Back to the app. You simply open the app, you agree to the user agreement and privacy policy. You can log in, sign up, or just try it now, which is what we're going to do. Now this is the most important part. You must give permission to everything the app is asking you in order for it to be able to work properly. That's home data, notifications, and Bluetooth. Now we add a device. We plug in the solar panel. We unscrew the back. The instructions are going to ask you to turn the solar panel on and off 3 times, so I'm just going to dim the lights so you can see what's going on. So now they're on, and they should be doing this slow pulsing thing in the colour red, like that. Then you add the device called Solar BLT Lamp RGB. This is the bit where your lights get really smart. So they will change colour accordingly, and it will even follow the rhythm of your music or your game. And hopefully that's your light setup for you. If you found this video helpful in any way at all, please just make sure to give it a like or drop it a comment down below, just to make our content as helpful and as educational as possible. Not all solar lights are the easiest to set up, but the reward is ridiculous. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.